Hi, I'm Lindsay and welcome to Thrive and Belong. Here we show you how you can make different yoga postures and different yoga sequences feel more comfortable and more accessible within your body. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, that way you'll be updated anytime we upload new videos, and it's a great way to support the work that we are doing to make yoga education available for free online. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use a wall to help you with your yoga practice. Quite often we think of yoga props as things like blocks and straps and bolsters and all these things that we have to buy, but actually quite often props can be the simplest of things that you already have available to you. So my favourite use of a wall in my yoga practice is to support my body and to help me find more ease, and the best way that I can show you this is through one of my very favourite yoga poses, Viparita Karani, also known as legs up the wall. So I'm scooting my hips close to the wall and I'm going to lift my legs up. I like to go a little bit deeper here by lifting my hips up and sliding a block underneath. So if you've got a block or a large book, you can do this. If you don't, the pose is just as good without. So from here you can lift your arms up overhead. And this is a great pose just for relieving tension in the legs. So if you spend a lot of time on your feet, this pose is really great just for kind of giving the legs a bit of a break. It's also brilliant for insomnia. And then another way that you can do this is just to widen the feet out, taking a bit of a straddle position. So again, this is a position that I find can be really uncomfortable in my body if I do it seated, but taking it reclined, there is so much more ease. And we're getting all the same benefits, but just doing it in a way that feels a little bit more supportive for the body. The other way that I like to use a wall to support me within my practice is to help with balance. So quite often we find that, there's poses within yoga that are designed to challenge our balance, which is really good because it helps us to really develop this within the body. But if right now, if you're maybe recovering from an injury, if you're working with a disability, and if you're just worried about stability and about falling, using a wall as a support can be a really great way to help you here. So I'm going to show you this with Ardha Chandrasana, also known as half moon pose. So I like to use a block to support me with Ardha Chandrasana. If you don't have a block, you can use like a really big book, like a dictionary. And again, if you don't have one, don't worry about it. This is just what supports me within my practice. So I'm starting off pointing my left toes to the top of the mat and my left heel is in line with my back arch. So very similar to how we would begin by approaching things like Virabhadrasana 2. I'm going to bring my block about 6 inches in front of my foot, keeping my chest facing towards you. I'm going to bring my hand onto the block. I'm going to rotate my chest open. I'm going to lift my leg up so that my foot's in line with my hip but not going any further. And I'm going to bring my right hand up towards the ceiling. Now this is very challenging for the balance. So if I were to be struggling with balance, as I so often do, I'm just taking this position on the wall. So I'm leaning back against the wall, and this is really helping me to find more stability within the pose. And over time, I could gradually start to rely on the wall a little bit less. So I'm now not against the wall at all, but I know that if I'm starting to struggle with balance, I can just lean back and I know that the wall will be there to catch me. So if there's any postures that are standing that involve balance, you can always use the wall in any way that supports you, and this can be a really great way just to develop the kind of stability within the pose, develop your foundation, and then when you feel ready you can gradually move away from the wall. What I will say is when it comes to balance is some days I've got it and some days I don't, and there's no kind of linear progression here. While you can develop it over time, you might just find that there's days where you feel a little bit wobbly and the wall can be there to support you in those times. So that's my 2 main uses for a wall within my practice, to find comfort and to help with balance. Let me know in the comments, what do you like to use a wall for in your practice? If you maybe hadn't used a wall before now and you've given it a try, let me know how it went for you. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to give us the thumbs up. It helps us reach more people with this free education online. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care and I'll see you in another video. If you enjoyed this video, come and join us for our online Patreon membership, Thrive Anywhere. Thrive Anywhere members get access to exclusive yoga practices uploaded every single week. Weekly oracle card readings to set you up for the week ahead, online programs such as Reset Your Routine, which is a 5-day program that helps you to build your own consistent yoga practice, and opportunities to connect with other members virtually too. The best part is that you can sign up today for Thrive Anywhere absolutely free of charge. We have a 7-day free trial so that you can test it out and you have literally nothing to lose. Thereafter, your membership fee will go towards supporting us to create more accessible and inclusive wellness offerings. You can find the link to sign up to Thrive Anywhere in the description box of this video, and please let me know if you have any questions. I hope to see you again there soon. Take care.